Today we're going to break down a prompt and plan our first diary entry. We're doing this so that we can understand the assignment better and so that we'll have a stronger diary entry using our plan. And we're going to look for keywords and use a graphic organizer. All right, so the first thing we have to do is read the story. I'm going to read it out loud. If you want to fast forward and read it on your own, you can. The Tortoise and the Hare. A hare was making fun of the tortoise one day for being so slow. "Do you ever get anywhere?" he asked with a mocking laugh. "Yes," replied the tortoise, "and I get there sooner than you think. I'll race you and prove it." The hare was amused at the idea of racing the tortoise, but for the fun of it, he agreed. So the fox, who had agreed to act as a judge, marked the distance and started the runners off. The hare was soon far out of sight, and to make the tortoise feel very deeply how ridiculous it was for him to try to race the hare, he lay down beside the course to take a nap until the tortoise should catch up. The tortoise, meanwhile, kept going slowly but steadily, and after a time passed the place where the hare was sleeping. But the hare slept on very peacefully. And when at last he did wake up, the tortoise was near the goal. The hare now ran his swiftest, but he could not overtake the tortoise in time.